In my last video, I talked about that I'm thinking of automating few things in my home, and for that I'm going to use the radio frequency transmitter and receiver. And I brought two modules. One of the module is this 4-channel RF module, and another was this small 4-channel module. It is only a transmitter and receiver set. It doesn't come with any relay, and you need to wire it and design a circuit around it. So this gives you much more flexibility, but yeah, it needs a lot of work to get it ready. But in market you can also get this kind of pre-built modules with 4 channels and 4 relays, and they are ready to go. This module basically comes with a complete package. You can see this comes in a box. This is the box in which it comes, just like this. So it's very handy, and this module comes with a pair of remotes. And the good thing about this module is you can connect n number of remotes, means you can connect more than one remote with this module. And this module is very simple. It has only 3 modes. So one is the momentary mode, where you will press the key and it relay will be on that channel for the duration you press the key, and as soon as you release the key, the relay will be off. Second mode is a toggle mode. Toggle mode means one press it's on and another press it is off. And there is a third mode, which is latching mode. In latching mode, not all relay can be turned on simultaneously. So let me connect this module and we'll see how does it works. Let me do the wiring real quick. So I have completed the wiring. I am using this power supply to power the LEDs, and I have made all the negative of the LEDs as common and connected to the negative terminal of this power supply, and the positive is going to the common terminal of each relay, and NO point is connected to the positive terminal of each LED. Okay, so this is how the wiring is done. And to power this module, I am using this 12 volt 2 ampere power supply, because this module runs on 12 volts. Okay, so this is about the wiring. Now let's try to use this module and see what all functionalities it has. So in order to reset this module, press and hold this button for a long time. Wait till the LED blinks, and now this module is reset. Now to pair this module with one of the remote, just press it. Once the LED starts glowing, press any button on this remote. The LED will flash, and the remote is now paired. Now let's check the first mode, which is the momentary mode. Okay, so each button is responding to a different channel of the relay, or you can say each relay is responding to a different button on the remote. Since this is a 4-channel module, you need to use a 4-button remote control. Okay, so this is the first mode. Now to change the mode in this module, it's very simple. You don't need to program it. There's simply a jumper is given, and you can see there are 3 points here. Okay, so the first mode is momentary mode. For momentary mode, you don't need to short any of the jumper pins. For the second mode, let's put this jumper between these 2 points. Now it becomes the I think it's in toggle mode now. Let's try that. Okay, you can see I press the A button and one relay is continuously on. Similarly, I can press the B button and that second relay is on. Similarly, C, and similarly D. And in order to switch off that particular relay, you need to press the same button again. Okay, so this is the second mode, which was the toggle mode. Now let's see the third mode. For the third mode, you need to short the other 2 pins using this jumper. Now this becomes a latching mode. In latching mode, only one LED will be on at a time. So okay, you can see whatever button you will press, the corresponding relay will be on and other relays will be switched off. So these are the 3 modes which this module supports. This is a very simple module, easy to program and easy to use. Okay, so most of the time you're going to use the toggle mode only. So if you want to control any appliance on your home, you need to set this jumper cable to the first 2 terminals, and that will put this module into the toggle mode, and with the toggle mode you can start using this module as a switch. So one of the best part of this module is you can pair it with multiple remotes. Okay, so this module basically comes with 2 remotes, and you can purchase as many remotes you want, and you can pair all of them with this. So currently this remote has been paired with this module, and if you see, if I press this one, it's not responding. So now to pair it with the another remote, it's very simple. Just press this button for some time. Once the LED is glowing, press any button on this remote you want to pair. Okay, LED is stopped blinking, means the programming is complete, and now you can use this remote as well to operate this module. Now both of the remotes will be working. See, I am starting this first relay with this remote, and I am switching it off with this remote. Okay, so that's all about this module. And Okay, so that's all about this module. See you in another video where I will be using this module to automate various things in my home. So stay tuned for that and join me in the journey of this home automation. So thank you for watching and see you in the next one.